Welcome to 1008 Lanyard Court. This home truly has it all. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath, waterfront home with a private pool, dock, and boat lift.
When you walk through the front door, you are greeted with a light and bright interior. This 2,640 square foot home is perfect for anyone wanting indoor and outdoor living. The ideal place to end the day is in the spa overlooking the beautiful waterfront view.
This home is located in the boating community of Tidewater Preserve. If you want to learn more about everything Tidewater Preserve has to offer, check out our video featuring the community.